Hey everybody, we're going to walk through how to sign up for Bluesky Social from your desktop. First, you're going to Google Bluesky Social. You're going to click here. Alright, you can see here it's pretty familiar looking feed. This is pretty familiar to most of us, so it's not too much of a leap when we get in here on how to use it. Let's go ahead and sign up. Let's see, I'm going to use one that I haven't used yet. I'm just going to choose my own. I don't know what you guys like to do, but I like to choose my own so that I can put it into my spreadsheet later. Always keep a spreadsheet or a notebook with your passwords in it, but for the love of Pete, if you do keep it on a spreadsheet, do not label it passwords. Alright, your birth date. I'm going to make up a pretend one because this is the internet, but you want to be at least over you want to be at least over 21, if possible. If you're under 21 and you're watching this, go ahead and create it as your actual age. Alright, here's where you're going to type your desired username. I'm going to use On-Demand Marketing. We'll see if it's available. It probably isn't because it's pretty simple. No, never mind, it's still there. Cool. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. Okay, so you have successfully proven that you are a human by choosing the cars or trees or bicycles in that previous screen we just saw. Once you get through that, you're going to see your feed, which you chose by choosing your interests. Over time, you're going to be able to curate this feed just like any feed in any normal social media. Now, you're going to go to your profile. Here we are. I am apparently following one person. I did that when you guys weren't here with me. And it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and create a new post. Now, I'm going to say, let's choose. So we can choose a picture, or a video, or a GIF, or a GIF, whichever you say it, and an emoji. Let's choose for this just a single image. Just choose that. What's up? Check out my glasses. And then you're going to use your hashtags just like you normally would anywhere else. So, glassware, beach inspired, waves. Okay, use as many as you want to or as few as you want to. There's really no rules here yet. Now I'm going to press post. Okay? Now, the first time you do this, it's going to actually pop up and say verify your email right in front of your post, and it won't post until you do so. So you're going to go to the email you used to create your account. I used On-Demand Marketing Duluth at Gmail, so that's where I went, and there was a code right there. I copied it, I pasted it, and then it allowed me to post. It just wants to verify you are not a bot. Alright, now that you've posted it, you can go home and you can start to discover things. It's just like any normal social media. You can like it, you can repost it, you can reply. You can also do all this other fun stuff. At this point, there are no stories or anything of that sort. There's really just posting. If you do decide to reply, what's really fun about this platform is you can reply with text plus an image or a video. It's a great way to really increase engagement really quickly. I've been doing this for some of my clients. It's been highly successful. So let's say I want to end up with a photo in here. I'd include that. I'd go ahead and type whatever I'm typing, and then I would hit reply. I'm not going to do that because this has nothing to do with anything. But that's how you would go ahead and do that. So just go on here, explore, have fun, be authentically yourself, and good luck. Bye.